Dear children, let us now understand what causes earthquakes. Children, this is the structure of our earth. It is made up of three layers: crust, mantle, and core. Core is divided into outer core and inner core. The earth is made up of three layers. At its heart is a core of iron consisting of a solid sphere surrounded by a layer of hot molten iron. Around the core is a mantle of soft paste. The mantle rests the hard layer of rocks we call the crust. Children, the crust is not uniform, faultless shell. It is like a jigsaw of blocks that fit together. The huge blocks that make up the crust are called tectonic plates. The heat inside the earth sets up a current in the mantle, keeping it in constant motion. This makes the plates of the crust move continually like rafts on a gentle ocean. The movement sometimes causes the edges of the plates to grind against each other with a lot of force. They may then get deformed, displaced, crushed, or fractured. They may also slide under each other or move apart. Such changes in the plates send a tremor or set up vibrations through the crust, causing what we call an earthquake. So, children, you need to remember that the basic cause of the earthquake is that the crust is divided into lithospheric plates or tectonic plates which keep on moving due to movement of molten magma inside the crust. Look at this. These are the two lithospheric plates which are trying to move. They have got interlocked due to friction. So, one is the force of friction which is not letting these plates move, and the other is the force of movement with the help of which they move. So, finally, when they get to move, the stored energy is released in the form of tremors. In A figure, we see that the tectonic plates may slip under each other. In this B figure, the tectonic plates may move apart. And in the third figure, we see that the tectonic plates get displaced. Children, now we need to understand what is focus, what is epicenter, and what is a fault. Children, the origin of the earthquake inside the Earth's crust is focus. However, focus is deep inside the crust and is difficult to map. So, a point perpendicular to focus on the surface of the Earth is known as epicenter, and this is the place where maximum damage occurs. Children, the wave fronts we see here are seismic waves that originate from the focus. Let us understand what is focus and epicenter. The point within the earth where rock under stress breaks is called the focus. The point directly above the focus on the surface is the epicenter. Faults are fractures or breaks in the Earth's crust. When the rock layers along faults slip, earthquakes occur. Children, we should know what are seismic zones. A seismic zone is used to describe an area where earthquakes tend to focus. For example, the New Madrid seismic zone in the central United States. Children, maximum earthquakes occur in seismic zones, and people staying in the seismic zones need to take precautions before an earthquake occurs. A fault scarp is a small step or offset on the ground surface where one side of faults move vertically with respect to the other.